as you can see, there are a lot of designs here, and usually I choose these kind of designs like a cloud and like trees, like nature. So you should also use these kind, and whatever you want to choose, you can also choose. You just go there and uh, you just need to search it here. For example, I already searched these kind of um, templates. So basically there are a lot of templates which Canva provides facilitate the users. So I use nature, mostly nature things, in which there are a lot of things, like you can see this is mountains, flowers, fields. So there are a lot of things, so I'm gonna choose this one right here. So this is 10-second video. So if you click on it and right click on it, so you can see there is a duplicate page. The reason to do a duplicate page is we used I already told you guys, we have used the codes which contains two parts, so first one I'm going to write in this, and the second one I'm going to write in this. So you can use the keys as well. So you just need to do what, click on this and just need to control D, press control D. So uh, this will duplicate another thing. So yeah, I'm not using this, so I'm gonna delete it. So from there you can choose any kind of designs you want. You can see there is another very beautiful flower design in here. There are trees and there is road. So yeah, so from here you can choose elements, but I'm not gonna use this because um, there is already this kind of thing in here. So I am going to just zoom this because I want to write something in here. There is a lot of things in this uh, template which I have created as already, so I'm not gonna waste my energy. So I'm just going to delete this because channel name. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to so there are a lot of you can see there are a lot of codes which I have already searched from ChatGPT. So I'm gonna do what, I'm going to copy the half code and I am going to paste it here, you can see, and I'm going to enlarge the size of it. From this you can catch the eye of your user and from your followers. So yeah, I'm doing this. So you can see I have already made a sorry, copy and paste it here. So I'm gonna paste another uh, half of the code in here, like here, and I'm going to uh, copy the next one, and I'm gonna select, delete, and uh, zoom it, and yeah, like that. So you can see I have made the codes in here. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I am going to select an element, shape. So I am going to take this box in here and I am going to enlarge it, and I'm just going to take the style from here and I'm gonna paste it here. So you can also do that, and I'm taking another box in here and I'm gonna enlarge the box and change the position of that box, and I'm going to I'm going to text and choose a hiding, and what you have to do is you have to do it here and select base, and I'm gonna write it friendship quotes, friend friendship friendship quote. I'm going to enlarge the previous box and I'm going to fit it in that. You just need to enlarge that thing and you just need to move a little bit right there. You can also reduce the size of your writing as well. For example, I'm gonna reduce the size of it so that it will be more accurate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and I'm going to uh, paste it here like that. As you can see, uh, we have to fix the size of the thing as well in here again. So yeah, you can see uh, we can change the color of the writing as well so that it will pop much, and I'm gonna change the writing in here as well, the yellow one, because I know yellow color pops, always pops. Yeah, so yeah, you can see there is a little difference in here, and I'm going to select in here. Yeah, so that's how I make these kind of videos. So yeah, you are, if you want to apply any kind of transition in here like that, like that, like that, I'm gonna choose it. Yeah, or you can use this one as well. So you can use this one as well. So I recommend you to use this, the outer one, because, and I'm gonna increase the size of the transition. All right, so yeah, so this is the main thing which you have to do, and if you want to apply any kind of animations and um, like that or like that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select anything in here, but I guess this is the which I have choose already, typewriter is a good one. So I need little bit adjustment in here, so you just need to adjust, and I'm going to show you, I'm trying to show you how much this takes effort. Yeah, so you just need to drag it here, this thing, sorry. I am going to apply a music, and you just need to go on to the uploads, and you need to go on to the audio. I have choose this audio. You just need to drag it from the beginning, and if you want to change the song, you just need to click on it and drag it. So you can see this sound is not looking good. I'm gonna use this one, and I'm going to delete it because I don't like it. So yeah, I am going to drag it in here, and I'm gonna change the sound because I don't want with the starting. So the result is looking like that. And in case if you don't like the background of the thing, and you can also change the background as well. Alright, so this is the whole short video which I have made in front of you guys, because I usually use this kind of method. I am teaching you so that it takes a lot of time, but if I make usually it takes only 1 minute or 2 minutes. And yeah, so one thing additional that I want to tell you in this video is you have to use the audios with the YouTube audio, because if you're gonna use your audios, it will take it will lead you to the copyright issues. So I'm going to tell you how I use and download these kind of audios. So you just need to go on to the YouTube, and so this is the YouTube music. You just need to click on the YouTube music. Sorry, my internet is a little slow today. So yeah, you can see there are a lot of YouTube audios in front of you, and you can use them. Save to library, go to album, share, anything you want to do. What I do usually is I just go to the YouTube, and I just go to my YouTube studio, and when I go to my YouTube studio, I just go a little low, and this is my audio library, which is fully free for you, and I just listen the songs from here, and you just need to you can download from here. So when you click on it from here or here, so you can download your audios, and once you download, it will go to the audios. Alright, so you can use into your videos. So I hope you like my video. I hope you like my effort. If you like my videos, kindly subscribe to my channel, and I hope you will make a good money from this. And a lot of people as you have already seen, are making an extra amount of dollars from shorts and from these kind of shorts. So I have learned these in past few months, these tricks from past few months. So I also want to tell you guys that this trick is really amazing, and it's very easy to learn. Canva is very easy to learn. So I'm gonna tell you another app which is called InVideo. So this is an extra information for you guys. You just need to go on to the InVideo, and this will help you like Canva. And InVideo is the AI video maker. All right, so it will help you a lot. So this is the second method to make these kind of videos. And from InShot you can make videos from InShot as well, if you are going to make the raw videos, and you're not going to use any kind of templates, so you can use InShot as well. So I hope you like my video. Thank you. We will meet you soon in the next video with a new information, and with the new tricks and uh, tips of the video. Sorry, my English is a little weak, so if you guys feel difficulty to understand my any kind of uh, thoughts, so I'm sorry guys, but I hope you will like my video. Thank you. Bye.